What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Debrew, and in this video I will show you how you can kick off 2021 big with affiliate commissions. And these are big commissions, big opportunity coming up, and we're talking of course about Nutra affiliate products. So the big boom is coming in January, just like every year. People have New Year's resolutions, people are currently stuck at home, people are binge eating, so this creates a big opportunity for you to tap into their insecurities and sell them some Nutra products if you'd like to. So very big opportunity. This opportunity comes back every single year. January, a little bit into February, there's a big spike after the New Year's Eve period, where basically we kick off the new year with Nutra. So I have laid out some Nutra products for you and how you can promote them. So if you are a beginner, I recommend you to promote some clickbank Nutra VSLs. If you take some risk, you can do this on Facebook with a whitehead review flow, or you can do this on native quite easily. But obviously with native, I would recommend a little bit of a larger budget, about $250 a day. So a couple of offers that might work for you are these. I've selected these, I've ran these, so I know they convert. Custom keto diet, probably the #1 trending offer right now on ClickBank for Nutra. Then we have research and Leptitox. Leptitox being one of the all-time best sellers on ClickBank. Been around for a long time. Research is basically a straight copy of that. Good upsell flow, strong conversions. However, take into consideration with these Nutra products that you calculate in a 10 to 15% refund and chargeback rate. So not all the sales you make are actually going to keep. Some of the money will go back into ClickBank. They also take an amount in holding each week to cover these expenses because they convert really well, 10-15% conversion rate on your clicks on the offer page. However, the refunds and chargeback obviously need to be taken into account. And then one new offer, Flat Belly Tonic. Quite interesting, good conversion rates. Definitely check that one out. So I have the custom keto diet for you here. So as you can see, you have the logo on top here. You have a simple headline, very simple, and then regular diet, keto diet. It's basically a video sales letter which puts the customer in the right mind frame, the perfect pre-frame for them to convert to the offer, which these video sales letters for Nutra are all on ClickBank. So each of the offers I've shown you works with the video sales letter as they convert really well. So I have selected 2 landing pages. They're a little bit small, but I will explain them how they work. So this has a logo at the top, and this one is right here, the logo. It will say advertisement. So these are for native ads. There is a big headline, a strong headline here, copy at the bottom, copy on the side, fake video image here. You can put a play button as well there. And then there's a big call to action, and there's a big call to action. There's a little disclaimer at the bottom and a little disclaimer here as well. So these are for Nutra, specifically video sales lenders as a bridge page. So basically as to pre-frame the users that are actually interested. You put this image, you put a fake play button timer on it, and I can show you how to do that with another video on my YouTube channel, and here it's already done for you. This one is for blood sugar, so diabetes offer, you just have to change the copy a little bit. And this one is also for diabetes. So change the copy to your specific offer, create a coherent flow, but you can see you can edit these landing pages within 5 minutes as they're so easy to set up. Basically, there's not a lot of work to be done here. If you are a more advanced affiliate, you might want to check out a more dedicated flow. An example I give you is Keto XP, which is a straight sale and trial offer, which comes with a dedicated upsell as well. So these offers are straight sale or trial, meaning with a trial, user puts in their credit card, they get a free sample, and after 2 weeks they get rebilled. The KPI, key performance indicator, states that you need to have, let's say, 20, 50, 70% rebill for your conversion to be valid, or they will be charged back to you, to your account. So with the straight sale, it's a lot more transparent. User pays, let's say, $47 for the product. There are upsells as well. You get a $100 payout and perhaps $40 on the upsell. So this is a trial offer. This is what it looks like. This is actually Keto XP. Tell us where to send your bottle, full name, address, zip code, city, country, state, phone number, and then you can say rush my order. Solid trial offer, they're always in this style. On the right hand side, the step 1 opt-in. On the left hand side, very aggressive copy, right? Then this is one of the lenders, which is an advertorial lender. So for the trials and the straight sale, we always use an advertorial lender. The video sales lenders get a high click-through rate, but they just don't convert on these type of offers. You need to have a story-based advertorial. So I zoomed in this one quite a lot. So this is one part of the lender. There's about 6 more parts like this with a lot of text, a lot of hyperlinks, and basically the advertorial style is the way you want to go. You can find obviously a lot of different lenders, but they all look the same as the advertorial. Most of the time the weight loss angle is quite generalized, so you only have to change the name of the product, and in this scenario change the pound for a $sign, of course. Then there's an alternative flow. So there's straight sale, video sales letter, trial offers, and if you are in between, so you're not necessarily a beginner who runs around ClickBank, you're not as advanced to go with like the straight sale or trials, you might want to try out cash on delivery. It's not that big in the United States, but Eastern Europe traffic has a lot of COD included. Asia Pacific has a lot of COD included on their health and Nutra offers, so that might be something to consider. The market is wide open. You have about 1 week to prepare creative lenders, select your offers. Obviously a big opportunity to get to work right now and get the benefits later when the market opens up and your offers will start to convert like crazy. If you have any questions for me, drop them down below. This was it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.